Hello everyone watching, welcome back into Infinite Solution. So in this video I'll take you through how to fix we don't recognize your device on Facebook. So this always happens when you have been using different devices on logging into your account, and probably when you have changed your location or when you have forgotten your information on Facebook login details, so you may end up getting such kind of issue. So guys, before moving on, I just want to take this chance to appreciate whoever is watching right now and whoever has returned to our channel. And so I just want to remind you guys not to forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell such that you don't miss any uploads that we make in this channel. Right, so if we try to go to our browser and we type forgot account details for login, and we go with the first link, that is to identify and maybe forgot the password, and we click on this. We can search this by either mobile number, phone, or instead this blah blah. So when you put your details, you'll find that, and you may fail to get SMS as well, and if you click to continue you may find the same issue. So the first thing we need to do is to get our phone information by dialing *#06# and then we copy all this information for IMEI and SV, so and then put it aside. So we shall go also to look for our IP address, and you save the IP address. Then you'll go to any of Facebook or from your friend and you look for your Facebook account, and then click on that three dots from there, and you copy your link to your profile, and also you save that somewhere. So when you have done that, then we shall go straight to our Gmail, and so we shall type support@facebook.com, but I would like you to use disabled@fb.com. that will be fine. And on the subject we shall try to write Facebook account recovery. Then when you scroll down from here, we shall try to give details about our issue on logging in information. So what you'll not forget to give email and our phone number, our password. We shall also need to provide our location, that's on our IP address for the phone, and we shall need also to provide our phone information, that's from the IMEI and SV for the phone. And after that, then we submit this. So after all this, you'll be helped out on how to log in again into your account, and you'll find yourself in. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you.